Now to continuing coverage of a case that has shocked the Bay Area. Thanks to DNA evidence, a Tampa man is finally walking free after spending 37 years in prison for a crime he didn't commit. 10 Tampa Bay's Bo Zimmer was there the moment he got out.
Hugging his mother was the first thing Robert DuBoise wanted to do as he walked out of prison, a free man for the first time in nearly 40 years. It was the Innocence Project that took on this case nearly 2 years ago, and ultimately DNA evidence discovered by a special convictions review unit within the state attorney's office that proved that DuBoise was not the man responsible for the murder of 20-year-old Barbara Grams back in 1983. This morning, a judge heard the latest evidence from the state attorney's office and granted DuBoise immediate release. He walked out of the Hardy Correctional Institution around 2:30 this afternoon with his mother, his sister, and his attorney by his side.
I don't have room in my life for bitterness. Bitterness, if you keep hatred and bitterness in your heart, it just steals your joy from everything else.
And I prayed all the time, and God is good.
I am just happy and praising God that this 37-year-old nightmare is over.
And while the judge wanted to expedite DuBoise' release, this really is just the first step in clearing his name. A new hearing is scheduled for September 14th to officially have the conviction removed from his record. And while that's happening, the DNA evidence that freed DuBoise has already helped investigators identify a person of interest in this 37-year-old murder case. And this time, prosecutors intend to hold the correct person responsible.
It was moving watching him talk today. If you didn't get a chance to see that, check it out on our Facebook page. Now, the Innocence Project, it reports 375 others in the U.S. have been exonerated by DNA testing. The same DNA, again, as Bo just said, to clear him has also identified a person of interest in this case and now has triggered a brand new investigation.